Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're a fan of cutting-edge smartphones, you've probably heard rumors swirling around a brand new device from Samsung, a smartphone that folds twice, transforming from a pocket-sized phone into a tablet-like screen. Today, we dive deep into what we know so far about the TriFold phone, its expected release date, and why this might just change the game. Stay tuned. The device we're talking about is called Galaxy Z TriFold. Unlike regular foldables that fold once like a book, this one folds twice, giving it 3 segments of screen and hinge mechanism. When folded, it behaves like a regular smartphone, compact and pocket-friendly. But when unfolded, it delivers a large display, reportedly around 10 inches, effectively turning the phone into a tablet. Cover outer screen is expected to be about 6.5 inches, useful for normal phone tasks without opening the device. The idea is to combine portability and productivity. A phone when you need portability, a tablet-like experience for browsing, media, productivity, or multitasking. Leaks suggest the TriFold will come with a fairly large battery around 5,600 mAh to power the triple fold display and larger screen. The unfolded device thickness is expected to be around 4.2 millimeters and folded thickness about 14 millimeters, which isn't as slim as some regular phones, but acceptable given the complex folding design. Display specs: 6.5 outer screen and 10 inner when unfolded. Peak brightness and other display quality rumors are also making rounds. Camera, processing power, and other hardware details are still under wraps in many leaks, which is expected, given the novelty of the design and the complexity involved. Now to the big question: when will Samsung launch it? According to reliable reports, the Galaxy Z TriFold is expected to be officially launched on December 5, 2025. The launch is likely to be accompanied by an event, followed by immediate availability, but perhaps in limited quantities initially. The first batch is expected to be limited. Some reports indicate only 20,000 to 30,000 units might be shipped initially. As of now, the release seems targeted at select markets, first likely in Asia, and global availability, or availability in regions like South Asia, including Pakistan, is uncertain. So while December 5th is the date to watch, there's no guarantee this phone will pop up everywhere at once. The dual-hinge TriFold design offers maximum screen real, a stage ideal for multitasking, watching videos, reading, productivity, flexibility. You get the portability of a phone and the big screen convenience of a tablet in one device. For power users, creators, business people, productivity lovers, this could be a game changer. Foldable phones are often expensive because of the complex hinges and displays. Reports suggest price could be high. Folding mechanisms add complexity, may affect longevity or durability over time compared to regular phones. For some users, a big foldable could be overkill. If you mostly use a phone for calls and messaging, the extra screen may not matter. Availability may be limited at launch, so even if announced December 5th, it may be hard to find immediately, especially outside Asia. So to recap, the Galaxy Z TriFold seems real. A TriFold smartphone aiming to combine phone and tablet functionality. According to multiple leaks, the expected global, or at least Asia launch date is December 5th, 2025. The phone promises a 6.5 outer display, 10 inner display when unfolded, and approximately 5,600 mAh battery to support the powerful folding screen. The initial release is likely to be limited, both in unit count and potentially region-wise. If you're someone who loves gadgets, multitasking, or wants tablet-level screen on a pocket device, this could be a device worth watching. Of course, as with all leaks, treat this information with caution. Specs, price, and availability can change at the last minute. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the Galaxy Z TriFold as I am, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for updates. once Samsung officially reveals the device. I'll be sharing full details, specs, price in South Asia, maybe even Pakistan, and whether it's worth the hype. See you next time!